हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज का ट्यूटोरियल है फ्रूट जूस के एडवर्टाइजमेंट वीडियो। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर ट्यूटोरियल। The first step is to make new composition, then create a solid layer. कलर मैंने येलो चूज किया है और आप कोई भी कलर ले सकते हैं। Then search the gradient ramp in the effect and apply on it. And choose the gradient ramp. The next step is to import all the PNG in the file and place in the composition. Press S on the layer. S stands for the scale to set the size of the image. Then place the next PNG in the composition. You can also remove the background color from the image by using the effect, that is linear color key. Press R. R stands for the rotation. The next step is to make duplicate layer. Press Ctrl plus T. And set the place and size of each layer. The next step is to on 3D option for each layer. Then create a new layer of camera and choose 2-node camera. And place this layer on very top. Change the view from one view to 2 view horizontal. And change the composition of each layer one by one using Z-axis. When you finish this, press key P. P stands for position. On camera layer, use the keyframe and move ahead. 2 frames ahead, set the keyframe again and change the position. Move both keys close for fast motion and press F9 for easy ease, and you can see the difference. On the motion blur of Next, insert the bottle PNG. Again, you can remove the background color with linear key effect. and set the opacity by using keyframes. Frame by using hue and saturation. You can change the color of the bottle. Next step is to create text layer and write the text and do the changes according to your need. And apply the insert text effect on both the layers. You can change the anchor point of these text layer. the video is ready. Hope you like it. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.